Press. The sound. We didn't. But the sound is sustained. Take out the sustain. Press. Yes? The word power of God, it means the power to sustain. In the way of sustain. Pressing press man. Nako, kusobananje. Uzopressa kanye kwenzeke kaningi. There shall be sustainability. We are poor, we contract manje. We are permanent because that job has to sustain your life. Shout it shall be so. Sustaining power. Uzovela nabangakuthandi base bakuthanda basho ukuthi yama lento kasifana ime yayimani izoma into yakho uthi sawuma. Yeah, that's what the power of God means. The power to sustain, the power to influence the universe. In everything you will influence people. People will be influenced by your utterances. Uzokhuluma abantu bakulalela. Why? Awunamuthi. But ubambe owale ngebuthini wehlazo. The power of God will make you to have influence. So do ordinary work, go to influence our decisions in company. You shall have an influencing power. You will influence things. Although the influencer is there they go right, but things that will benefit you. The presence of God means the source. You see the Kalipati, our source of strength is God. You will have hope. Umuntu on the presence kaNkulunkulu akalahli ithemba. Noma seliphele ubukhona bothi akukho ongenzeki ke. Uthe lahleke lo msebenzi athi intando yakho mayenzi. Yini unethemba nala ekubonakala izwe lingaboni ithemba. Yini is the power of God. It brings hope. The power of God, lastly, it will guide you. You will have a navigation system now. It will be a guidance. Also, told my ideas go and no malume, no mkulu. But God Himself. I can hear myself. We're praying now. The guidance.